So today we've been baking my absolute favourite Lebkuchen, which are gorgeous German biscuits. They're really spicy, they're full of delicious gingerbready flavour, and then you can decorate them in all kinds of pretty ways.
So pretty, good for gifts as well. From a lovely box, go make your gift.
Should we try one?
Yes, please.
Which one do you want to try?
I'm going to try a star with stars on it. So lovely gold stars on there. These are little vegan stars.
Tell me what you think. Good? We
Spicy cookie goodness.
We hope you like them as much as you do. Watch along for the method to how to make them. Oh my god. Lebkuchen cookies. Oh my god, they smell amazing.
I'll eat all of them. Don't let me.
Oh my god, they are so good.
Very nice.
Oh my god, they're delicious.
Yum.